Okay, the cranial nerve number 2, which is called the optical nerve. As I told you, this is for the sensation of the vision. تمام؟ للإحساس تبع النظر وليس لحركة العين. Okay, so it's a sensory, special sensory nerve for or of the vision that is an outgrowth of the brain, more appropriately called brain track. لأنه this is, as it seems here from this picture, it's like grow out, okay, or outgrowth from the brain. كأنه طالع من الدماغ كذا هذا العصب. تمام؟ عشان كذا بعض الأحيان يسموه brain track, sometimes called brain track because it just go out from the brain. Okay, so it's a special sensory for the eye. It's not motor, it's a sensory. Okay, the sensory function vision. Okay, بتعطينا وظيفته اللي هو النظر. The origin, as we say, the sensory from where? From the size of the action, which is the vision. Okay, so it starts from the retina of the eye. تمام؟ من قرنية العين تبدأ وتمشي لوين؟ هذا المنشأ. لما أقول origin means is where it start. Okay, the action, which is start the action from the retina of the eye to the central nervous system. Okay, I'm not going to say what's written here, but we will explain it here on this picture, the pathway. Okay, so it starts from the eye, from the retina, it goes through the optical nerve, okay, and it's snapped here, okay, in the optical اللي هو optical track, and then it goes to something called geniculated nucleus of hypothalamus. This is the geniculated nucleus. Okay, it's here. Okay, then it goes through something called optical projection. Okay, it's just like running through the brain to the occipital lobe. Okay, to the occipital lobe. So the main site of the vision is the occipital lobe. Okay, الجزء اللي فيه مسؤول عن النظر هو الoccipital lobe. Okay, لكن هو بتمشي من الاي في الريتنا في القرنية، تمشي through the optical nerve ثم to the optical track، ثم بتمشي على حاجة اسمها nucleus of the hypothalamus. النيوكليوس هذه تبع it's called geniculate nucleus, and it's here as it's written, and it just goes to the occipital lobe. بتروح لإيش؟ للفص الخلفي. What I said it's already written here. Okay, يعني مكتوبة هنا، الكلام هو نفسه. The important thing is the occipital lobe is the lobe of responsible for the vision. Okay, the condition caused by the nerve damage. Because it's a sensory vision nerve, so basically if there is any damage on this nerve, it will affect your vision, right? لأنه هو خاص في النظر، فإذا حصل له مشكلة على طول بتأثر في النظر. فعشان كده بتعمل لنا visual defects. As in a medical, there is a medical term for a visual defect called anopsia. Okay, sorry, معلش الكحة وكذا. طيب, there is a medical term for a vision or a visual defect which is called anopsia. Anopsia is a medical term for visual defect or visual problem. Okay, as a sensation, it's not a motor, because we will focus on the third one and the fourth and the sixth. الثالث والرابع والسادس هم مهمين بالنسبة لنا for the motor movement of the eye. Okay,